Hello and welcome to my channel Practice to Perfect. The purpose of my channel is to make videos for kids' quick learning and practice the topics already covered in school. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also share your feedback in the comment section. I am back with my new video today. In this lockdown period, we have a lot of time to spend with kids, so we need to use this time productively. Today, I will share an activity with you which I often do with my kid. It is a simple word building game. So, for this game, you need some alphabet tiles or blocks or alphabet cards, which usually all kids play with when they are young. So, let us begin with the activity. So first you have to mix all the alphabets well and place them in the center. Randomly pick a few alphabets, say 5 to 6 alphabets, and place them in front of your kid. Now the task is that your kid has to arrange these alphabets in ABC form or the correct alphabetical order. Let me explain you with an example. I have picked alphabets S, J, O, A and G. Now, when I arrange it in alphabetical order, the order comes as A, G, J, O and S. Let's take another example. The given alphabets are R, F, Z, N and K, which were chosen randomly. Now, we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So the order is F, K, N, R and Z. So this was the first task that you can play with your kids. Let us move to the second activity. Here again, you have to mix all the alphabets and again randomly pick 6 to 8 alphabets. In this activity, the kid has to start building words with these alphabets. He can create 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, etc. Children will arrange these letters in different ways to create some simple words. I did this activity with my kid using the same letters and he was able to make these words. So this game will improve the child's knowledge of words and help him or her in word formation, their spellings and pronunciation in a fun to do way. I hope you liked watching my video. Please come back for more videos and I would also encourage parents to share their views and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.